In this lesson, you'll learn how to assign values to variables, concatenate strings, and use string interpolation in Elixir. These are foundational skills that will help you manage and manipulate data effectively in your Elixir programs. Let's dive right in. Now let's see an example of how to define and use variables in Elixir. In this code snippet, we assign the value Alice to the variable first name and Smith to last name. We then concatenate these two strings with a space in between to create full name. Notice that we use the less than and greater than symbols together to concatenate the strings. Additionally, we assign the number 30 to the variable age. Finally, the ioputs function prints a message that includes our variables using string interpolation. In order to achieve string interpolation, we use the hash symbol with curly braces and put the variable within it. Thus, the actual value of the variable is being printed. As you can see, the output of this code will be, the user Alice Smith is 30 years old. Understanding and working with variables is crucial for several reasons. First, variables allow you to store information that your program can manipulate, making data storage straightforward. Second, by using variables, you can write code that is modular and reusable, which enhances flexibility. Lastly, well-named variables improve code readability, making it easier to understand. For example, if you're building a user profile feature in an application, you need to manage user information efficiently. Variables are the key to handling such data effectively.